We're back and we're making a dish that I don't know if a lot of people don't know how to make it, but we're making munggo. Mukhang simple, pero alam mo, mga iba hindi marunong gumamit ng munggo na yan.
Yung munggo, saka they don't know what to put kasi basta alam lang nila, it's a poor man's dish.
Yes.
Diba? So,
But I like it.
but it's really good and it goes with a lot of things. Normally sa amin, on a Friday, it's munggo and adobo.
We already boiled.
So, ang gagawin nyo po, you save the water. So, ang ginagawa mo, pag pinakuluan mo siya, siguro about 2 to 3 inches ng water yung sobra.
Parang ano, parang
kanin, parang bigas. Add our oil.
Onion, garlic. Ang bango talaga ng onion pag ginano, no?
Garlic.
Yan, nilalagay talaga yan eh.
And then, our tomato.
Ang gusto ko dito, kasi it made use of
Malunggay.
Malunggay.
And you know what? This is like yung isang ganon, parang isang bunch is like 5 pesos. And then,
now we put our pork. We want medyo brownish ng konti yung meat. Diba? Para may ano.
may konting caramelization.
We're here at the Bulacan Agricultural Training Center, no? We're able to see the wonderful location, no? Kasi gitrain sila ng mga tao to make milk, to process milk. They're training people to process milk. They make yogurt, di ba?
And their yogurt is really good,
And then they have also the cheese, di ba? Yung
Kesong
white
puti,
cheese.
yes. And saka sinabi nga nila sa atin, hindi pala porket minilk mo na yung cow, yun na yun.
You have to pasteurize and process.
So, para mas masarap, yung munggo beans,
Ito yung beans lang, yung sinave natin yung yung water.
Oo. Yan. Kasama natin, igigisa natin din siya kasama itong ating yung pork and the vegetables.
So dry muna siya, ha?
Oo, dry muna para lang masarap siya. Igisa rin natin siya with that.
Since may flavor ng ating munggo. Binalik na natin
yung tubig niya kanina. Yung iba, they don't use that water na ginamit pang pakulo.
Sayang, nandyan lahat ng flavor. At saka lahat ng sustansya.
And then, we'll add this is around 4 cups of water. Kasi gusto natin masabaw naman yung ating munggo. Like ako personally, gusto ko yung munggo medyo masabaw, hindi yung sobrang dry na.
Ako gusto ko masabaw.
Kasi pag dry na, konting ganun mo lang, tapos na yung munggo mo. We'll add chicken cubes.
If they want to make it healthier, you can just put stock.
Tapos,
Yung homemade stock, di ba?
and then adjust na lang the flavor with fish sauce.
Yeah.
Seasoning and patis.
Ganon. Or, kahit bagoong. Ako dati, ginagawa ko, 2 tablespoons of bagoong. Instead of fish sauce. I don't know, depends on you. Tapos, pag nagmamabilis kayo, you can just use the cubes, di ba? Papakuluan na lang natin yan. Tapos lalagyan natin itong
Ating
malunggay. 5 piso. Ganyan karami.
You can actually also use yung sili leaves or yung dahon ng ampalaya. But I like using this one. And then you add your fish sauce or your patis.
So ito, we just let it simmer for a while, no?
Tapos lalagay na natin yan. Tapos i-simmer natin para ma-add na yung flavor.
Uy, mga breastfeeding moms can malunggay, it's good for you. And that's our dish, right?
Yes.
Sobrang simple at masustansya. This is our second dish. We still have more of Chef Pam Santa Ana. When we return, stay tuned.